packs, and 5 grams of shrooms found in the center console of the vehicle.
You're running around with a QP, pills, and a gun? Get this thing out the trap. Get him out. Get him out. You're banned. You're done. You are a goofy, bro. Bro, what? You don't ever ride around with pole and anything over an ounce, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you what I know. What I know, bro. I ain't no drug dealer. I ain't know that. Bro, that's just common sense, bro. Like,
Found another quarter ounce of weed was located in plain view on the passenger seat. Overall, the amount of weed seized weighed in at 201 grams.
bro, oh my God. This nigga had damn near HP on him, bro. What are you doing? You niggas are retarded.